what happens when your AI agent's tool call fails. Most agents just crash. But that's a design flaw, not a feature. The first instinct is to halt on failure. But a robust agent treats tool errors as information. When a call fails, catch the error and inject it back into the model's context as a tool result. The model sees exactly what went wrong and can adjust. Retrying with different parameters, picking a different tool, or asking for clarification. The quality of recovery depends on the quality of your error message. A vague tool failed tells the model nothing. Instead, include the error type, the specific tool that failed, the parameters used, and a human-readable description of what went wrong. This gives the model enough context to diagnose the issue and generate a corrected tool call. Without guardrails, an agent can spiral into retry loops, burning tokens and time. Always implement a maximum retry count per tool, typically 2 or 3 attempts. Track consecutive failures to detect when the model is genuinely stuck and needs to stop. When a tool consistently fails, you need a graceful exit. Design fallback strategies, a simpler backup tool, a cached response, or a clear error message to the user. Never let tool unavailability become an infinite loop or a silent hang. Robust tool use means closing the error loop, providing rich context, capping retries, and having fallbacks ready. Subscribe for more AI engineering deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.